welcome back. Today's video is going to be about negative numbers, positive numbers, and when you use them when you are multiplying or dividing. This is just a quick little trick that I've learned where I use sad faces and happy faces. I think this might help it stick, so let me show you on the whiteboard.
Okay, before we start, I just want you to remember this method only works for multiplication and division. Let's do a couple examples together, and I think you're going to get this pretty quick. Okay, for our first example here, we're going to do positive 3 times positive 4, and we need to find out if our answer is going to be positive or negative. For this one, we would just solve like normal. 3 times 4 is 12, but let's think about why this is a positive number. Positive 3, we have positive 4, we have Lucy barking. Let's look up here. They have the same sign, so we're going to give that a smiley face. They are smiling because they have the same sign, or how I like to think of it is they have 2 of the same eyeballs, so they're happy. Now let's try with some negative numbers. We're going to do negative 5 times positive 6. Negative 5 times positive 6 equals something. Let's first find out if the number is going to be a positive or negative. We have a negative sign, and we have a positive number. Let's take a look. Oh, we have different signs. So we're gonna do a sad face. It has a sad face because it does not have the same eyeballs. What we would do is just solve this like normal. 5 times 6 equals 30. And since we have a negative sign and a positive sign, we have to make sure our answer is negative 30. What if we have a negative number times another negative number? Let's follow our same steps here. Negative sign, a negative sign. Okay, we have 2 of the same sign. Look at that. We have a happy face. And it's happy because they have 2 of the same eyeballs. So what does that mean? Positive. So we can also consider happy sign as positive, sad sign as negative. So if you're positive, if you're in a positive mood, you're happy. And if you're in a negative mood, you can be sad or angry and have a little frowny face. So now we would just solve this like normal. So the negative times a negative, we know it's going to be a positive, so we just go 7 times 2 equals 14, and these negative numbers, and we have our little happy face. You might be saying, but Miss Amanda, what about division? Well, guess what? The exact same rules apply for division. So let's try this problem. Negative 20 divided by 4. Okay, I want you to take a look at this and tell me what you think. Without solving it, I just want to know if it's going to be a negative number or a positive number. Let's take a look. We have negative 20 divided by positive 4. Ooh, look at here. We have different signs. And our little face is sad because it doesn't have the same eyeballs. So our answer is going to be negative 5. Let's try a division problem where we have 2 negative signs. Negative 15 divided by negative 3. Well, let's take a look. We have a negative sign. We have a negative sign. Let's look at our chart here. Same sign. And you see how it has the little, happy face. So 2 negatives equal a positive. And negative 15 divided by negative 3 will equal positive 5. So what I hope you've taken from this is if they have the same sign, they are happy. And if they have different signs, they are sad because they just want to have matching eyes. I hope this was helpful. Remember, this only works for multiplication and division. We will talk about how to solve for negative and positive numbers in addition and subtraction in a separate video. Let me know if you end up using the smiley face method or if there is another method that you like to use. I would love to hear about it. Thanks for watching.
All right, there we have it. I hope that was helpful and that you now know how to do negative and positive numbers when you're multiplying and dividing. If you have any problems that you would like me to work through, feel free to leave them in the comment. I love doing your requests, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.